Your cup, your press. Everything you need packed inside. Set main body on the cup, ready to brew in 2 minutes. Add 15 grams of medium ground coffee. Pour in 240 milliliters of hot water around 90 C. Do not exceed the max level. Unclip the spoon handle for stirring. Stir gently and evenly. Infuse for 1 minute. Let time do the rest. Close the lid tightly. Press slowly and vertically. After fully pressed, remove Prestina carefully. After unscrewing the lid, use the spoon handle to scrape the coffee grounds into the bin. Rinse the filter mesh and the lid under running water. Use the cup to press the filter down to the bottom. Place the spoon inside the cup. Screw the lid back on. Slide the drip tray back into place. Enjoy!